Welcome to the AZIOT Strip Light Controller Setup Guide. In this video, we'll walk you through the complete installation and configuration process of the AZIOT Strip Light Controller using the Smart Life application. Before getting started, ensure that your smartphone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and that Bluetooth and location services are enabled. This controller works on DC power, therefore your existing LED driver or DC power adapter must be connected and used for proper operation. Begin by connecting the DC power supply to the controller. Connect the positive terminal to V+ and the negative terminal to V-. Next, connect your strip light according to the type of strip being used. For single-channel strip lights, connect the positive wire to V+ and the negative wire to V-. For CCT strip lights, connect the positive wire to V+, the cool white wire to CW, and the warm white wire to WW. Power on the device and verify that all connections are secure. The strip light should enter breathing mode automatically. If the strip light is not breathing, reset the controller by turning the power off and on 7 times slowly. The strip light will enter breathing mode, indicating that the controller is ready for pairing. To add the device, tap the plus icon in the Smart Life application and select Add Device. The application will automatically discover the controller. Tap Add and follow the on-screen instructions to connect the device to your Wi-Fi network. Enter your Wi-Fi password and wait for the pairing process to complete. Once connected successfully, tap Done. You can now control your strip lights directly from the Smart Life application. Turn the lights on or off, adjust brightness levels, and customize lighting according to your preference. For CCT strip lights, easily switch between warm white and cool white tones. The controller also supports remote access, allowing you to control your lights from anywhere using your smartphone. You can create schedules, timers, and automation routines for added convenience. Integration with Alexa. Open the Alexa app. Bottom right, tap More. Tap on Skills and Games. Search for Smart Life app. Select App. Click Enable to use. Click Agree and Link. Wait for Smart Life to confirm linking. Click Next. Tap Close and let Alexa find your device. When a device to add is found, click Next. Select the common group you would like to add the device. Click Add to Group. Once the device is added to group, click Continue and Done. You can view all linked devices on Alexa showing their current state, that is on or off. Let's try controlling them with voice commands. Alexa, switch off fan. Integration with Google. Open the Google Home app. Tap the Settings tab in the bottom right corner under Services. Select Work with Google. Look for Smart Life in the search bar. Tap on the Smart Life logo that appears. Click Continue to proceed. Next, click on Agree and Link. Return to the home screen of the app. Tap on Devices. Refresh the page to update the device list along with their current status, that is on or off. Let's try controlling them with voice command. Hey Google, turn off fan.